What's happening there all, and welcome to this video. Now, I'm really excited, and I'm sorry, but I am, because I've got my own garage. I've literally got myself a little garage lock-up jobby, and I've been after one for ages, and I've been garage sharing with Baz for months and months. But finally, I've got my own little garage, and it's going to be awesome because now I'll have some room to put all of my shit. Baz is going to get some room back in his garage, and all I've got to do is I've got to go get the keys. So tomorrow I'm a bit busy because I've got to spray Jason's wheels. He's got my old ST170 wheels, which I never got around to doing anything with, but he wants them in black, so I've got to spray them up. So I'm going to show you that. I've got my expansion tank to fit, so I'm going to show you that as well. And I'm going to show you how to fit it. I'm going to show you my new one that I've ordered, and then I'll show you the new garage. And hopefully I'll be able to do a lot more things in the garage because I'll have a lot more room. So just at the minute I've just got shit everywhere. My back garden I got full of tools and bits that I need to get done with, and it's gonna be nice just to have a little space where I can just keep all my crap. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go get the keys today, and then tomorrow I'll show you the lockup, and then we'll get cracking with the wheels and the expansion tank. Also, what I've got to do tomorrow is replace the alternator on the wife's Mini, and that's a bit of a shitter because one, it's a Mini, two, she didn't want a Fiesta, three, it would have been a lot easier on a Fiesta than on a Mini. But just so you don't have to wait, the next time you see me, it will be at my new garage. I'll have a bit of that. Come on. Onwards and upwards. I know it's an absolute mess, but it's room. It's room that I can work with. The garage door's a bit fucking shit, but looks like I can be able to adjust it so it comes up a bit better. That's the work on that. So at the minute it's a bit wobbly. At least I can get something shit in here. Mind my head on that. Yeah, so what I'll have to do, clean some of these cobwebs out. They're every fucking way. They're huge. Anyway, shit's falling off. Yeah, so that's the garage. That's the new thing. So at some point I'm gonna have to whip over to the old garage with Baz, pick up all my shit, and move it down here and get some shit done. Anyway, let's shoot back to mine. We'll get some wheels sanded and sprayed. It's gonna be horrendous. Let's go. These are the ST170 wheels we're gonna be spraying. Jace wants them in gloss black. I got no problem with that. Let's get started. Right, first things first. Let's get these things clean. This is the first wheel sanded and ready for primer. Now the reason I didn't show you me sanding it is because everyone knows how to sand. It's not hard. Just do it right
get it smooth. Make sure you sand after each coat of primer. Obviously wait for it to dry first. Doing this will give a better finish on the wheels. This is another set of Mondeo 5-spoke alloy wheels that I've done in black. Do the prep right and the results will be amazing. Trust me, I sprayed these with £1 rail cans. This wheel has had 4 coats of primer along with sanding to flatten the surface the best that I can. Now it's time to add the black. I will spray 5 or 6 light coats before lacquering. You don't need to go mental, you just need to build up the layers. If you get heavy handed, the paint's going to run and you'll have to start all over again. This is how our wheel started. This one has been sanded, ready to prime. This one is primed and has 1 coat of black. And this one is on its 3rd coat. Right, we've got to that point where it's got 5 coats of black on it and it's looking pretty good. I'm now happy to hit it with a lacquer, and like I said before, light coats will always give the best results. Right, I'm currently on 2 coats of lacquer on this one. It's still looking quite dull, so I'm just going to keep going with a lacquer until I get a nice glossy finish. And this one has had its 4th coat of lacquer. 1 more and then it needs to harden for at least 3 hours. So I got this new expansion tank, picked it up off eBay for only 18 quid. Anyway, mine's got a crack in it and it's absolutely filthy. So whilst the wheels are drying, let's go fit this new, well I say new, cleaner one on my car. Out with the old, in with the new. This one looks loads better and it doesn't leak. Look at these beauties. The wheels look mint, but to finish them off, I rubbed down the centre caps, sprayed them to match. Check these out. Right, we're not pissing around at this point. The wheels are dry, they are going on this car, and my god, they're going to look fucking amazing. Now if you don't remember Jace's car, this is the one I had to change the exhaust in the snow. Now if you missed that video, make sure you go back and check it out. It was so cold, but the noise from this 1.4 was amazing. Right, that's it for this one guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to help and support the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell to keep you updated on any of my new videos. Leave a link in the description to all of my social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. You know what? I love working on that. But it's just the wife's car. I fucking can't stand. You know how much you got to take off a fucking minute to replace an alternator? That's right, the whole fucking front end. Ding ding. Fucking German piece of shit.